There's an alarming increase in deadly car crashes blamed on distracted driving. Despite state laws meant to deter distracted driving, 22 News I-Team reporter Tamara Zakarzik discovered a lot of drivers are still doing it.
Every day, 9 people die and more than 1,000 others are injured in crashes involving distracted drivers. The 22 News I-Team spent weeks patrolling the roads of western Massachusetts, and our cameras captured everything from texting and driving to people taking pictures behind the wheel.
Justin Muir's not looking on the phone and playing with their radios.
Next time you're in the car, look to your left and right. There's a good chance you'll see someone on their phone looking in the mirror or flat out not paying attention.
Definitely texting. I see a lot of people blowing stoplights, speeding.
Texting and driving is illegal in Massachusetts, but plenty of drivers do it anyway. The I-Team spent weeks on the road, and what we caught on camera may surprise you. Check out these 3 drivers focused on their phones at a red light. Once the light turns green, one drives off, their phone still in hand. We spotted these 2 drivers fixing their hair and makeup behind the wheel, and this driver took both hands off the wheel to try and snap a picture of us.
You're gonna have this white box truck pulling up to you. He says he's using his GPS.
The I-Team took our investigation to the next level. We went on a sting with Chicopee police in search of distracted drivers. 2 plainclothes officers were stationed on Memorial Drive with a marked cruiser just a few hundred feet away.
What I want you to do is when this light turns green, you're gonna pull in right behind that cruiser there. Okay? For texting.
In less than an hour, police pulled over a dozen people for texting and driving. 6 were issued citations. Texting and driving may seem harmless, but if you're traveling at 55 miles per hour, you could cover the length of a football field by taking your eyes off the road for just 5 seconds to send or read a text message.
It's a cause for many crashes. It's a cause for a lot of road rage. We see people, they're on their phone at a red light, the light turns green, they don't move.
Texting and driving citations have spiked in recent years. Police issued more than 6,300 citations for texting and driving in 2017. In 2016, that number was even higher at 8,600 tickets statewide.
1 in 4 car accidents are caused by distracted drivers that are texting.
Attorney Robert DeTusa represents car accident victims. If you're caught texting and driving, is this difficult to prove in court?
The problem occurs, I think, is when you get those records and they don't show that the person was on the phone talking or that they were, they weren't necessarily texting, but you suspect that maybe they were using an app.
Cell phone records can't track data usage to a specific time or date, which is one of the reasons why some state lawmakers have been fighting to ban all handheld cell phone usage while driving, which is the law in 15 other states. If you're caught texting and driving in Massachusetts, you'll get slapped with a $100 fine for your first offense, a $250 fine for your second offense, and a $500 fine for your third offense. We've posted texting and driving citations issued in your community on our website, wwlp.com. I'm Tamara Zakarzik, working for you with the 22 News I-Team.